Okay guys, I want to start this video with a piece of advice, and that is, in print on demand, if you think something is a good idea, stop thinking about it and just do it. I've been thinking about uploading to Etsy for months using Printful, and there's no reason why I shouldn't have done it months ago, and I could have been reaping the rewards of that for the last few months. I don't know what it is, it's just something mentally blocked me and I didn't do it. So my first piece of advice is just do it, guys. My second piece of advice is to use your sales from something like Redbubble to predict what you should sell on Etsy. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to do that. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you want to go to the place where you have all of your designs and you want to download them. So mine are on Canva, and you just go on all folders, all your designs, and then just look for any of your designs and download them. Once you've downloaded your designs, you go on printful.com. I'm going to use Printful. You can look for your own supplier if you want. If you do want to support my channel, there's an affiliate link for Printful in the description, which will help me out and doesn't cost you any extra money. But I'm going to use a t-shirt as an example, so I'm going to choose this t-shirt here. So one very important thing now is to make sure that you are not putting black text or black images on black designs or white images on white t-shirts, etc, etc. Okay, so just be really careful. Make sure you are contrasting colors. Make sure the design looks good on that color if you've used some crazy designs or whatever, because each design, it's not like Redbubble. It's not like you just upload it, you forget about it, maybe it sells. This is where you have to be really careful about this kind of thing. So just make sure that you are using the designs to their fullest. So download the basic mockups, and then you're going to want to list a product on Etsy. The reason that you do this is that you have to open an Etsy store before you can integrate it with Printify. And the only way to open an Etsy store is to post a product. So what I'm doing now is I'm looking for the mockups in a file. I'm choosing a few mockups, making it, a good assortment of mockups, and then I'm going to upload them. Don't worry about mockups. I'm going to show you how to make good mockups right now. Okay, for mockups, I actually decided to get some images straight from Canva and then put the image onto the design. I did this because it looked more natural to me, and also for some reason the Printful mockup system doesn't work very well. So instead I decided to use Canva, which you can see me doing now. So yeah, just go on Canva, it's free. You can just type in white t-shirt onto the search, and then you can just pick the most natural one. Try to look for one where they are looking straight at the camera, because my photoshopping skills are not very good personally. And then you just upload the design, you stick it on. It does make it a little bit difficult with Canva sometimes, but it's pretty easy, guys. Just make it small like this, put it on there nice and straight. That's why I recommend someone looking straight. And then I think that looks pretty natural personally, and I'm going to use that as the profile picture, and I'm going to zoom in on Etsy. Okay guys, so I want you to go through this very carefully, and I want you to use the settings that I've used here, except obviously change the title into something else. Okay, don't worry too much about the variants, don't worry too much about anything like that, don't worry about shipping settings, don't worry about anything, because after you've done this, I suggest you copy your your product information onto a notepad, and then what I want you to do is I want you to open your Etsy shop. I want you to integrate another product into Printful, integrate Etsy and Printful, and then you're just going to copy and paste them onto a new product, because then all of the shipping settings, etc., will be automatic. Do you guys think I would make a video without showing you how I do my SEO research? It wouldn't be a very good video if I did, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search everything using 1, 2, or 3 methods basically. I'm going to use Ahref's keyword generator, I'm going to use Google itself, and I'm going to use keywordstool.io to give me keyword suggestions. So you just want to spice it up a little bit. Obviously it's just the normal stuff, it's just a description at the end of the day, but you need to kind of use these methods if you want to really pinpoint the people who want to buy this product. I'm experimenting with some other ways of selling products at the moment that aren't just based on SEO, trying to go viral on Reddit and things like that. And I will definitely have some videos in the future if you guys want to see my progress on that. Okay, so any second now I should start actually doing some keyword research instead of just writing from my brain. So I'm going to go on Google, here we go, and I'm going to do site etsy.com, and I'm going to put in URL or in text, I guess. In URL, hamster with apostrophe marks doesn't return anything, so I'm going to change it to in text because that makes more sense. And then put 2 apostrophes, speech marks over it. There we go. So now I can see some results that have hamster in the name, and then I put the word gift. Tell me this isn't really smart, because this seems smart. So you just mix in some adjectives with the keyword. So hamster owner, hamster lover, you know, you guys can do it for any product. Don't just copy my products, guys. This is what I'm trying to explain to you. Don't just copy mine. It's so pointless. Just these took me 5 minutes to find. Just go out there and find them using my methods. I've got so many videos on this. I'm actually not going to go through how I find my keywords in this video. My other 50 videos are about that. I really recommend checking them out if this is the first video of mine that you're seeing and you like what you're seeing. I really recommend checking out my Redbubble keyword methods, which are all basically you can use all of them for Etsy as well. So this is one of my methods using search operators, and this is one of my other methods. Keyword generator, this is free, no sign up required. Amazing tool, gives you the basic volumes for things and also gives you some great suggestions. And look at hamster lover gift, bang, Etsy.com, number 2, love it. Only 333 results. Oh, I'm so excited to see if this works, guys. Weird hamster lover gifts, that is a perfect one, guys. Honestly, that's an amazing buyer keyword. You want to focus on buyer keywords, okay? So a buyer keyword is someone who is searching specifically to buy something, and if they're searching for gift, they want to buy a gift. So just mix in adjectives, just fluff it up. It's not too important. Just don't write a load of rubbish, and just mix in the keywords, naturally sounding keywords, find the keywords using the various methods that you can see me doing, and then hopefully if all the stars align and the SEO gods allow it, then we will rank on Google number 2, and we will be seen when someone clicks on that. And that's what it's all about, guys. Honestly, it's about using Google to drive sales to your Etsy store. There we go. I added this to H1 or to title because it's a really strong buyer keyword, and I have a feeling I can appear here. So let's see what happens. Okay, for tags, just write down the keywords that you just found on Google, like I literally just showed you how to do. Write them down and just pick some of those, put them as the tags. Easy. So this is what your product will look like. Just what you need to do is now you need to integrate Etsy and Printful. You need to automatically upload a duplicate of this product, put in all of the information that you just got, use the good mockups that you made before, and then delete this product. You will lose 20 cents. In my opinion, it's worth it for the safety of the shipping being automatically set up. Okay guys, so it's just under 3 hours in, and this is the timer at the bottom represents what I've been, like, all the time that I've put into working on this project so far. So I've put in just under 3 hours, and I've got 4 products on Etsy, and I've got this many views so far in 2 days. For only 3 hours work, I'm really happy, and I'm gonna keep experimenting with this, guys, and I'll release some more videos if this video is popular. So thank you for watching as usual. Peace and love, and I'll see you in the next one.